Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ibotta how to link accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Linking accounts in Ibotta allows for automatic cashback without uploading receipts. You can link loyalty accounts or payment apps like PayPal, Venmo for withdrawals. Now in order to link accounts, so what you need to do is head over and open up your Ibotta app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Tap on login on the top left, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully log into your account. Now once logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then there you'll find an option that says linked accounts. Simply tap on that, and inside there find an option that says loyalty accounts. And once you are inside there, sign into your stored loyalty account credentials or enter your loyalty card number. Now once that's done, confirm the link and you will be on your way. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.